Tired of projects spiraling out of control? Let's transform that chaos into clarity with Trello, your project management superhero. First, head over to Trello.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your workspace. It might be empty or already have some boards. Let's create a new board. Click the plus button and give your board a name, something that clearly describes the project you're managing. Think marketing campaign, website redesign, or even grocery shopping. Then, choose a background to make it visually appealing. Now for the magic lists. These represent the stages of your workflow. Common ones are to do, in progress, and done, but feel free to customize them. Click Add a list and type in your desired title, hitting enter to create it. Repeat this for each stage. Next up, cards. These are your individual tasks. Click Add a card under a list and give it a descriptive title, something specific like write blog post, draft, or design landing page. Open the card to add more details, a description, due dates to keep you on track, and assignees to delegate responsibility. Setting deadlines is crucial. Click due date and pick a date and time. Trello will send you reminders so nothing slips through the cracks. Assigning tasks is just as easy. Click members and choose who's responsible. The best part, tracking progress is incredibly simple as tasks move through your workflow. Drag and drop the cards between lists. This gives you a visual overview of what's happening at a glance. And that's it. You've now mastered the basics of Trello for project management. Start creating your own boards, get organized, and watch your productivity soar.